Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm glad to have you here. In today's video we're going to make a DIY Shungite water at home, which serves to both filter the water from all sorts of different chemicals and pesticides, as well as serve as a healing water spiritually and medicinally for a few of the ailments that have been scientifically proven that Shungite water does help heal. So Shungite has the ability to clean water from almost all organic compounds, and that includes pesticides, metals, bacteria and harmful microorganisms. And one really good example is the water from Lake Onega in Russia. It can basically be used as drinking water without any prior cleaning, and this is as a result of thousands of years of interaction with Shungite. Shungite water has also been successfully used to treat a number of skin conditions such as psoriasis, eczema and juvenile acne. It can also be used in compress or as cleaning and soaking of hands and feet. So Shungite water is best used internally. Also, you can actually drink about 2 to 3 glasses of Shungite water a day if you want to heal or prevent digestive, muscular or nervous system illnesses. And it also increases the circulation of the blood in the body. Daily use of Shungite water to wash the face and the body also is known to improve elasticity of skin, giving it a super healthy look. To make Shungite water, you would need to first rinse the Shungite stones off until all the water runs clear. This is to make sure that they've been cleansed properly. Then you need to put the Shungite stones on the bottom of a water container, and there has to be a correlation between the size of the container as well as the amounts of the stone. So I've started off by using 1 tablespoon of Shungite stones in 1 liter of water, and I will leave it for 48 hours until it becomes biologically active. You should put the Shungite stones in sunlight every month, and you should also replace the stones every 6 months, so that way you make sure that it's the most efficient quality stones that you can get. So I purchased 100 grams of these Shungite stones from the local crystal store. You can also get them online. I will link some Shungite stones that are really high quality from Amazon and other sites as well in the description below if you want to. I will also link some scientific research on Shungite if you are interested to know more, and if you would like to know the sources as well. I know a lot of people who really want to go to the sources also when it comes to research. If you do enjoy watching these kinds of videos, do let me know. I'd love to do more, and do subscribe if you feel that this channel is right for you. We'd love to have you on board. Take care and bye bye.